In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete job alerts on LinkedIn. Keeping your LinkedIn notifications organized is essential, especially if you're actively job hunting or just trying to maintain a clean and focused profile. So, whether you've already landed your dream job or your career goals have shifted, managing these alerts can simplify your inbox and help you focus on what really matters. Let's start by making sure you're logged in to LinkedIn.com. This is important because you'll need full access to your account to manage these settings. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on your LinkedIn feed. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the top menu bar. It's your navigation hub for everything LinkedIn. Now direct your attention to the Jobs tab, which you'll find at the top of the screen. Clicking on this will transport you to the Jobs section, the central spot for all things job-related, including tools and alerts specific to your career search. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll spot a menu that holds various options. What you're looking for here is Preferences. Go ahead and click on that. This area houses all the settings that allow you to manage and control the job alerts you're receiving. Dive into this section and you'll find Job Alerts. A simple click on this reveals a list of all the job alerts you've previously set up. Now, to edit or remove any alert, you're going to need to focus on the pencil icon. It's small and located in the upper right corner of this pop-up menu, so take a moment to find it and click. Once you're in, you'll see each of your active job alerts listed. If you have several, take your time to sift through them to find the right one you're planning to delete. When you've identified the alert that's no longer needed, it's time to take action. Click on Delete Job Alert. Before LinkedIn finalizes this step, they're going to ask you to confirm. This is just a quick double check to ensure you haven't misclicked or changed your mind. When you're ready, hit confirm. Just like that, the alert is gone. You've successfully deleted a job alert from LinkedIn. By doing this, your notifications are now cleaner and more focused, steered right towards the opportunities that truly matter to you. Thanks for watching.